What's going on, you guys? Ramny here with a brand new drawing tutorial, and we are going to continue drawing SpongeBob characters this week. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to draw Patrick from SpongeBob. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got my paper in portrait mode, and I'm going to first draw. Usually I like to draw the circle for the head, but obviously Patrick does not have a very conventional looking shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve for his stomach first, or for his abdomen or his lower belly, and I'm going to try to get a nice curve like so, and then yeah, just like that. So try to get this as best as you can. It's not quite a circle, because what we're going to do is we're going to go back over here, and I'm going to kind of draw a line going down the center. I'm doing it in reverse. I'm going from the bottom, sort of working my way up like that. Okay, and this sort of gives you an indication of the shape that Patrick is going to be in. Okay, so right around here is going to be the point, and what you want to do is you want to start narrowing it down until you reach that point. Now, Patrick's head is about this angle, so you want to make sure that this like triangle angle is just right. So eyeball it, make sure that you get it right, because you don't want Patrick's head to be way too, like Patrick's head is not like this. It's a little bit narrower, so you want to try to get that shape. Okay, and then here's got a little bit of a bend at the very top. You guys probably noticed that I'm holding my pencil like this. This just guarantees that I don't draw as dark as as you would. It's kind of just holding the pencil as loosely as you can. Okay, there you go. Now these are going to be for his shorts, like so. Now it's just a matter of figuring out his appendages, where his face goes and everything. So let's do the feet first. They're relatively easy. Okay, start right here and work your way down, and it just comes down to a point like this. Okay, and then this leg is going to be higher up. There you go. Okay, so now we've got this. We've got this nice teardrop shape. Let's draw some eyes. Let's figure out where the eyes go. Okay, so his eyes are going to start right here. You want to leave about this much room from the top. So start here. Draw ovals. That. So it kind of looks like an egg, and you want to do the same, and you want to make sure that this eye comes out of, you see, like it bulges out of this line right here. There you go. Okay, now you probably have this all bulging like this. What you need to do is you need to change the direction of the curve so it looks like that. Okay, and even now I'm still kind of noticing that his face might look a little too wide, so you know what, I'll leave it like that. We'll see. We might have to fix it later on. We might not have to. That's completely fine. In the center of these ovals are smaller black ovals. Actually, center of this one, but this one is going to be right here. See how close it is to this line? I'll make those pupils the same size. Two thick, dark lines for the eyebrows. 1, 2. There you go. Now, underneath the eye, right here. And then find the spot right here. Curve. There. Okay. Right here now. Comes down a little bit, so it dips lower, and then comes up to this point. There you go. A curve to the right. Okay, line here. Tongue goes like this. and then another one like so. There you go. Okay, now find a spot right here. This is going to be where his hand comes out, and it comes out to about here. So you want to make sure that it's like not crossing the top of the eyes. Here's the top of the eye line. You don't want it to go too far up. And then goes down to here. There you go. Fix your lines. Okay, right here where he meets his shorts is like a slight bulge. Okay, and then same thing over here on this side. You want to kind of make sure that it's about the same. Then start right there. So just a little bit lower than this over here on the edge and right around here. It goes down to the center of the belly. You want to make sure that this curve right here is similar to this curve over here. There. All right, this is super simple. Now draw a line going across over here. You want to make sure you get that nice. Get these nice and dark. Once you figure it out, these lines. Okay. Right here, kind of in the center there, you want to draw the belly buttons, and it looks like a C, and then the U underneath that looks like this. So there's this belly button. He's got these starfish marks, 3 moles right there, one over here, one at the top here, and then another one right here. Okay, so we're pretty much done the top. Let's just work on the bottom now. Let me zoom in. There you go. Let's draw another curve from here going to the other side. That's of course the elastic of his shorts. Okay. So I'm just drawing this curve now. It sort of bulges out. You see how the elastic sort of changes the shape of his of this curve here. You want to make sure that that happens. Okay, then let's draw a line cutting his leg in half, and then bring that up. Bring this up. Same thing on this side. Okay, bring this up into the shorts, or into that spot, and then this goes only up to this curved line. Okay, same thing over here. There we go. And bring this into that line. You grab your eraser, erase all these. It's so hot in Thailand right now, by the way, that my this eraser right here is just sticky and melting. Usually it's nice and firm. Anyway, if you guys want to know the equipment that I use, I have that in the description, so be sure to check that out. If you guys are ever curious about the types of pencils I draw, I like to reuse the same pencils. I use 2B. Anyway, so there you go. Now the last thing is we're just going to draw some of the flowers. So purple flower right there, and then over here just beneath the belly button I'm going to draw a curve, and then just going to make that into a flower. Okay, so it goes like that. And after all is said and done, we are finished with our Patrick Star. Fairly easy tutorial today, so expect another tutorial later on. I'm going to try to churn these drawing tutorials out as quick as possible because I'm making them fairly easy to produce. Anyway, you guys, there's Patrick. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one coming soon. And you guys, that is all the time that we have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in all the way to the very end. I appreciate that a lot. If you guys are proud of your drawings, I would love to see them. So head on over to Instagram, tag me at Draw2 so I can see your masterpieces. If you guys are ever curious about the tools that I use for drawing or the equipment that I use to make these videos, I have links in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check that out. If you are feeling extra generous, I have links down in the description as well for different ways that you can show your support on this channel. I already mentioned Patreon, but there are other ways as well, so be sure to check those out. Links in the description. Your contributions go a long way in ensuring that I can continue making videos just like this for you guys to enjoy free of charge. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video right here, comment down below, and share this with your friends in your social media. And speaking of social media, don't forget you guys can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on my website, draw2.com, where you can find a free coloring page based on the tutorial drawing that is found in this video. Again, you guys, all of the links to those are found in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. Finally, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more so you can learn to draw it too. I'll see you guys next time.